Hi, good evening. This is Scott with StockMarketMentor.com and your free chart of the day for Thursday, November the 14th. I want to take a look at AudioCodes. Now, for a long time, AudioCodes was a pretty reliable range trade. If I draw some trend lines here, you can see for a while, it just kind of stayed in this range. You buy at the bottom of the range, you sell at the top. You buy at the bottom, you sell at the top. Wash, rinse, repeat. And it worked out pretty good for a while. Well, just before November, AudioCodes had earnings, and earnings were pretty good. And ever since earnings came out, AudioCodes gapped up, held that gap, and just has kind of been drifting sideways and doing it on decreasing volume. Now, when it goes up, like it did here, it goes up on high volume, pulls back on less volume. And today went up on almost higher than average volume. So it's getting closer and closer to this 2220 pivot here. That's the level that was acting as resistance before, and that's the level we need AudioCodes to break. So I would definitely have an alert set at 2220 here on AudioCodes. If we get a breakout, your stop loss area would be right around that 2113 level. So keep an eye on AudioCodes and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com.